Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope all of you would be doing well. On the behalf of Satkan Education Services, another class of English language is being conducted. So let's proceed and explore what do we have to discuss in this class. So in this class, we are going to learn about the perfect tenses. We will get to know about present perfect tense, past perfect tense and the future perfect tense. Right? We will see the use of present perfect tense. So we can say that present perfect tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. Or you can say that the time of the action is before now. यानी action शुरू हुआ अभी से पहले, but the time is not specified. And we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. Right? Or present perfect tense can be used in a situation where the work started in the past and still continues in the present, right? Or you can say that an action performed during a period that has not finished yet. For example, you can say that she has been to cinema twice this week. Or in a situation where repeated action has been done in an unspecified period. For example, you can say that we have visited Portugal. Or in another situation, it can be used that an action which was completed in the very recent past. और ये express कर सकते हैं आप while using just. For example, you can say that I have just finished my work. Or you can also say that an action when the time is not important. Time की कोई limitation नहीं है, कोई specification ज़रूरी नहीं है. So you can also use at that time present perfect tense. For example, he has read this novel earlier. So these are the situations in which present perfect tense can be used. Now look at the structure. To make affirmative, we use subject plus helping verb. Has and have are used. He, she, it third person singular के साथ has use होगा, and I, you, we, they के साथ have. You need to remember it. Throughout in all the perfect tenses, third form of the verb will be used, and then object will be added. Now see the example. She has managed the house perfectly. It's the same example which we have been changing in all the tenses. Now see sentence construction. हम अपनी राय तब्दील कर चुके हैं. So to become we have changed our residence. Now according to structure match it. Subject we, helping verb we के साथ हमने have use किया. Third form of the verb हमने क्या use की? Changed. Object add हो गया our residence. Now see number 2. हमारे पड़ोसी कुर्बानी के जानवर खरीद चुके हैं. So it will become our neighbors, again plural हो गया. So have will be used. Our neighbors have bought animals for sacrifice. Right? See number 3. क्या आप यूनिवर्सिटी का दाखिला टेस्ट पास कर चुके हैं? It's an interrogative construction. So have you passed the entry test of university? Right? To make it interrogative, helping verb आपके पास पहले आ जाएगा, बाकी आपकी construction वही होगी. Question mark will be added. Next one is असातिज़ा ने टेस्ट कॉपियां नहीं जांची हैं. So it will become teachers have not checked the test copies yet. So to make it negative, not will be added. Right? This is how you would make the sentences in present perfect tense. Now we will learn the use of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense refers to a time earlier than before now. यानी past को refer करता है, and it is used to make it clear that one event happened before another in the past. यानी ये two past event को actually refer करता है. उसमें से एक event already हो चुका है इस वाक़े से भी पहले. And it does not matter which event is mentioned first. Sometimes both the events are described, और कभी कभार वो event दोनों event नहीं भी describe होते, तब भी वो indicate कर रहे होते हैं कि इस चीज़ से पहले भी एक और चीज़ हो चुकी है. Right? Now see the construction. To make affirmative, we use subject plus helping verb and then had. Now you need to remember, in past perfect tense, had will be used. No matter whatever the subject you are using, I, you, we, they, first person singular, third person singular, with every subject had will be used, and throughout the perfect tenses, third form of the verb will be used plus object will be added. See the example, she had managed the house perfectly. Right? Now see the sentence construction. माहिरीन नतीजे पर पहुंच चुके थे. So it will become experts, subject, had, helping verb, reached, third form of the verb, the conclusion, object. Right? See the next one. क्या आप ईद मिलन पार्टी के लिए अपनी क्लास सजा चुके थे? It's an interrogative one. So it's quite easy to make interrogative because you bring the helping verb first. So it will become, had you decorated? Decorated third form है, your class on Eid Milan party. Question mark will be added. Next one is another interrogative one. क्या वो तैराकी सीख चुके थे? So you would make, had they learned swimming? Right? Question mark will be added. See the fourth one. वो ऊंची छलांग नहीं लगा चुका था. So he had not jumped very high. So to make it negative, we are using not. You can also see the identification in Urdu. In all the perfect tenses, हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? वो जा चुका था, खा चुका था, सो चुके थे, रो चुके थे. So this particular word or ending is used in all the perfect tenses. Right? So you need to remember it, this identification. Situation of future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used for actions that will be completed before some other point in future. Or you can say that future perfect tense हम इस पर use करते हैं when we are talking about an action जो कि complete होगा अभी और at some point in future. अभी और फ्यूचर के दरमियान एक सम स्पेसिफिक टाइम के दरमियान जब कोई काम कंप्लीट होगा, सो दैट विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ सी द स्ट्रक्चर. और इट इज, ये जो है यूजुअली एक टाइम एक्सप्रेशन के थ्रू जो है डिस्क्राइब किया जाता है, यूजुअली, नॉट ऑलवेज. नाउ सी द स्ट्रक्चर. टू मेक अफर्मेटिव व्हाट वी यूज, सब्जेक्ट प्लस हेल्पिंग वर्ब. विल यूज होगा, will or shall you can use, plus have will be added. Will, have, you can say that collectively as helping verb. Use होगा throughout perfect tenses in future perfect tense. Plus V3, as you know that third form of the verb will be used, and then object will be added. Now see the example. She will have managed the house perfectly. Now look at the sentence construction. वो गर्मी की वजह से खिड़कियां बंद कर चुके होंगे. ठीक है, अभी ये काम हुआ नहीं है, ये होगा at some point in future. So to become they, subject, will, as I told you, have we have added, they will have closed, third form of the verb, the windows because of hotness. Right? Now see the number 2. क्या आप ईद की खरीदारी कर चुके होंगे? So to make it interrogative, as you already know that, we may bring the helping verb first. Will you have done shopping for Eid? Question mark will be added. Next one is negative. Team toss नहीं जीत चुकी होगी. So it will become, the team will not have won the toss. Right? Not आप add करेंगे to make it negative. See the last one. आप जूते polish कर चुके होंगे. So it will become, you will have polished your shoes. Right? So this is the construction of future perfect tense. Right? Well, now is the time of assigning the home task. So what you have to do is, you have to copy down all the work of tenses on separate pages. Okay? Present perfect tense की heading डाल के उसका structure लिख के you will write all the sentences. Then on the next page, past perfect tense, the same thing will be done. Then afterwards, future perfect tense will be done on the next page. Right?